This is my latest project, Blacksmith's wheel hammer. It's a very heavy duty hammer. The main hammer bit is made from 80x40 and a total weight of 64 pounds, including all the swinging mechanism. This is the back side of the hammer, showing the 1.5" heavy duty shaft on 2 bearings. This is the linkage down to the foot pedal. There are several return springs. This motor is a 1 horsepower single phase motor, slightly bigger than you need, but better bigger, and then it'll last. I've put all the electrics onto a separate post so you can move it in or about or near to where you can turn it on and off. There's slight little damage on the motor casing. This is the aluminium keyway drive wheel. The anvil part of the hammer is 160 diameter solid bar. It's welded onto a 20mm thick mild steel plate, and as you can see, is sat onto a 4" by 2" timber base, fully bolted right through. This comes with the hammer as well. Thank you for watching this short video, and hope you enjoyed what you've seen.